We move on to matters of the Truth, Reconciliation and Reparations Commission, as two witnesses appeared before the Truth Commission on Thursday to testify on the dead bodies found in Brufut, Ghana. Ole Sam and Kalilu Jalo were both PIU officers deployed at Brufut, Ghana PIU station when the incident occurred. And according to them, they were informed by an old man that corpses were discovered in the bush. They also highlighted the state at which the dead bodies were found.
Cross-section of civilians and law enforcement agents continue to testify and reveal what they know about the 2005 alleged massacre of the West African migrants. Mr. Kalilu Jalo testifies that upon receiving information that dead bodies were found at the bush, they were immediately asked by their boss, Omar Fadera, to visit the crime scene and confirm the information. According to him, he believes that the victims were either hit by a heavy object or were shot.
Anyway, when we arrived there initially and the state that I saw the first victim, I could not imagine what weapon was used because of the condition that I saw the person in it. Most time I don't know. At first I thought either he was hit by a hammer or a bullet because of the state that he was in.
Olisam reveals that in her observations, she believed that the nationality of the corpse found were not Gambians by virtue of the tribal marks they had on them.
I can recall there were some scars.
Some tribal marks. Yes.
Yes. Some tribal marks, yes.
Those tribal marks you saw on this person, are they the type you would see in the Gambia?
Among
Gambians?
No, because if you saw them, you know that they are not Gambians. They were well built.
8 people were reportedly killed on the 23rd July 2005. 2 days later, another dead body was discovered. Olisam told the commission that a decaying dead body was also found in the bush. According to Kalilu Jalo, his boss, Couple Lamin Kamara, instructed them to bury the 9th dead body. He said he objected to that order because it was unlawful.
It's not the proper way for me to go. Well, given that I did not know the circumstances in which they died, for them to ask me to go and bury them was something that I could not possibly want to get involved in.
What was the right way?
Authority informed evacuate Samba for proper checking. They should have informed the authorities just as they did in the first instance, so they can come and evacuate the body to carry out checkup.
The witnesses confirmed that the 9th dead body was buried by other PIU officers. According to him, they were asked to conceal the information by their relief commander Lamin Kamara, and it was never recorded in the police diary nor reported to their superiors. For iAfrica News, I am Kadiri Seka.
More witnesses continue to appear before the Truth Commission to give testimonies on the killings of the West African migrants.